Welcome to the ZTTFIBER installation guide for fast connector SC 900 micrometer installation. Prepare a 900 micrometer optical cable. Slide 900 microboot onto the fiber. Refer to the street template and make 900 micron fiber at 35 mm from the end of the fiber. And then strip 35 mm of 900 micron buffer tool from the fiber. Refer to the strip template again to determine the length of fiber coating that need to be stripped. And then strip the fiber coating. Clean the fiber with a liquid wipe scalded in alcohol. Insert the bare fiber into the precision fiber cleaver and cleaver to a minimum length of 10 mm, 11 mm maximum. Insert the fiber slowly into rear of the connector until connection is made. Press the secure button to close the fiber. Remove the safety clip under the connector. Then slide the 900 micron boot onto the connector. Termination complete.